In this video, I will be showing the top 10 basic commands you need to know in Minecraft. I just created this world and I want to find another biome. Instead of flying around and searching for it, we'll use the locate command. So imagine you want to go to a mangrove swamp biome. Type /locate biome and now specify the biome you want. Now just press on those coordinates, press enter and you will teleport to that exact biome. With this command we can also find structures. So for example, let's find an ocean monument. Just type locate, structure and specify the structure you want. Teleport and here we are. Now let's talk about fill command. This one is very useful and can save you a lot of time if you are building big stuff. So let me show you an example. Imagine you want to build a big cube. For this, you need to specify 2 corners of that cube. This will be the starting corner. Now pointing to it, type /fill and press tab 3 times and you will get the coordinates of that block. Press enter, this will give you an error message, but don't worry, it's just to save the coordinates. Then go over to this one, take what we already had, press tab 3 times again and specify the block type you want. Oak plank for example. If you want another type of block, just change it on the end to wherever you want, TNT for example. And if you want to erase it, change the block type to air. And voila! Now let's change the Minecraft time. So simply type /time set and for example 1000. This sets the time to daytime. Time set 6000 sets the time to noon, 12,000 to sunset and finally 13,000 to nighttime. And you can mess around and set it to wherever you like. Are you tired of building at night in your world? Let me introduce you to the gamerule command. Just type /gamerule, do daylight cycle false, and as you can see the sun and the clouds stopped moving, and it will not change anymore. And what if you are building and it starts to rain and thunder? Very annoying, right? With weather command you can control it. If it's raining you can type /weather clear and it stops raining, but this will not change it forever. So if you don't want the weather to change anymore, you can again use the gamerule command. So /gamerule do weather cycle false and there will be no more rain in this world. The give command can give you OP items and others that do not exist in creative inventory, like the ones you can see here. In the first place, let's try some of these god weapons we have here. I will take the sword and the pickaxe and let's test them. Well, I think that's enough for now. I will put these OP weapons commands in the description in case you want to have some fun. Now let's see how the give command works and get a command block for example. Type /give, write your nickname, command block and voila. This is your inventory after 5 minutes in creative mode. Let's fix that. The clear command is the most simple one. Just type /clear. That's better, right? The summon command is one of my favorites. You can simply type /summon pig or summon cow to spawn mobs. This is a lot faster than going through the inventory searching for the eggs. And if you want these eggs, just click on your mouse wheel while facing the mobs and you will get the egg. But there is more. With this command you can also spawn rare mobs like spider jockeys, which do not have an egg. Or things that do not exist, like this one for example. And also mobs with no AI that are basically mobs that do not move. Sometimes I use it to create thumbnails for YouTube. Have you ever built something and wished you could replicate it or relocate it without having to build it again? The clone command is perfect for that. This one is very similar to the fill command. But in this one, you need to specify 3 coordinates. The first 2 are the corners of a 3D region, like these ones in red. So let's start with this one. Type /clone, press tab 3 times and press enter to save the coordinates. Go to the next block, press tab 3 times again and enter again to save. Finally, we only need the third coordinate, that is the destination. So I want it to start here. Press enter and it's done. The last command is setblock. This one allows us to place a specific block wherever we want. This can be useful if we want to start building underwater or high up in the sky without having to pillar up, and also to set the second corner of a 3D region for the fill and clone commands. Simply type /setblock, press tab 3 times or introduce the coordinates where you want to set the block, and choose the block type you want. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.